Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. What you see here on the chart is a situation in which the price only formed 3 waves to the upside of the October lows. Okay, you can see the yellow labels, wave 1, 2, and waves 1, 2, and 3, and possibly the 4th wave here, even though we don't really know, is it a 4th wave or maybe something a little more bearish, at least in the short term. The main reason that I highlight also the alternative, which I put onto the chart yesterday, is this deep pullback. I mean, it is very deep for a wave 4. It is acceptable and it is valid, but it's a little bit too deep for a reliable wave 4. But we'll see. At the moment, nothing's invalidated, so it's still my working count. It's still the main wave count and scenario here, that we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and a wave 4 in yellow, with one more high to come in wave 5. And that could be targeting $10.21, $10.83, or maybe even $11.78. These are sort of the next targets, but the condition would be that the price turns around here, because a sustained break below that 50% Fibonacci level will make me favor the deeper pullback scenario, short-term bearish. It would be a B wave pullback instead of a 4th wave. That would certainly not be clearly bullish. It would still allow for a rally in an upcoming C wave, but could rather be embedded in an overall more bearish scenario. Okay, just something to be aware of. I actually also have the long-term chart for DOT. Remember, I talked about that a while ago. And on this chart, there is a potential to count this move down as a 5-wave move. So we can say that that there could be a bearish scenario here, that we say, okay, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In my bullish count, I count that as a C wave after an overshooting B wave. So I've got a bullish count, but it can also be wave 1 to the downside. Now A, B, C, yeah, so that's what I mean, the B wave pullback, okay, that could be something that we need to take seriously. So A wave rally, B wave pullback, and the C wave could then still happen, and it would be a wave 2, which would result in a 3rd wave down. That's how the B wave scenario would fit into the bigger picture. Certainly not great if that plays out, okay, so we'll see. It's you know, probabilities in the making. It's very dynamic, but you see it here on the 4-hour chart that yes, we can count that as an impulse, but I would like to have one more high. Yeah, and therefore it's for me either a wave 4. Okay, if it's a B wave pullback, it will go down further, but could still be an overall corrective wave, which would still, you know, probably lead to to a more significant C wave rally. But obviously there's a condition. It needs to hold then $4.39, which is the key support level for the B wave pullback. For now, however, let's focus on the yellow count, which is here the ABC structure in wave 4. And the idea is, if wave 5 has started to unfold, yeah, we would like to see a 5-wave move, but I haven't got enough wave structure to say what this exactly is. Certainly, it seems that a break above the last swing high would be a good signal that an overall low has been established in wave 4. So far, however, even though DOT is up today as well, it's not joining really, I mean, it's not joining the today's rally with a lot of motivation. So, however, it would need to take, well, it would take a break above $8 and, yeah, $8.57 roughly, $8.60 to suggest that wave 4 has bottomed. Better would of course be a break above the B wave high at $8.81. But, you know, a move above this $8.60 level will already be a good indication that wave 4 has formed a low and that we're on our way in wave 5. Condition would now be as well that the price does not break below yesterday's low anymore, or we're dealing with something more bearish, like, for example, this B wave. So yeah, wave 4s are always a little difficult, but this one is extremely deep for wave 4. We'll see. For now, obviously, DOT also couldn't escape the liquidity event that we've seen yesterday. Okay, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.